Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at three different types of triangles. We're going to mainly looking at acute, obtuse, and a right triangle. So we're going to start with looking at what an acute triangle is, and the definition I have here is that an acute triangle. Hopefully, we're trying to get this to work here. An acute triangle is a triangle with all its angles less than 90 degrees. We're going to create that, and we can use a polygon here. So tap on the polygon tool, the basic tools there. You should be able to find it. Tap, tap, and finish it off. So here is an acute, but I'm not sure if it's 90, if they're all less than 90. Well, if you're not sure, you want to go and find measure, click on the angle, and we're going to check to make sure that all the angles are less than 90. So we're looking at all of them. We're looking at C, the angle C, angle B, and we can see that they're all less than 90. So if we pull this out, we can see 70, 57.2. Oops, darn it. Let's go back one. There we go. So 70, 57, and there. So that is all the different angles there, all less than 90. This is an acute triangle. The next triangle we're going to look at is the obtuse triangle, and the definition for the obtuse triangle, it is a triangle that has one angle greater than 90 degrees. So let's create a triangle that has one angle greater than 90, and here we go. There it is. And we can see that angle A is greater than 90 degrees. Let's check it to make sure. Go under measure, click angle. And there we go. 137 is definitely greater than 90 degrees there. Okay. You can see that. And that is your obtuse triangle. All right, our next triangle we're going to look at is a right triangle. And a right triangle is a triangle with one 90-degree angle. So let's create this triangle with 190 degrees. So this is a little trickier. So we start with a segment. So I clicked on the segment button there. And here is my segment. And then if you scroll down to angle given size right there. So we're going to do that. Tap A, tap B, and it is 90 degrees. Let's try counterclockwise. And we get that. And then we can finish that off. See that box there? That box tells us that's 90 degrees. So we click B, A, and then A. There. There's our triangle. Okay. So from there, this is what we call a right triangle. So it has 190 degrees, and the box or the square in angle B represents that is 90 degrees. So simply they don't write 90 degrees. Usually there's a box there and identifying that is 90 degrees. So furthermore, I also want you guys to take the side lengths of the triangles and find, using the side length, you're going to make a square and find the area of that square. So we're going to do that. So let's start. To do that, we scroll down, look for regular polygon, not just polygon. Regular polygons make polygons that have the same side length, and squares are the same side lengths. But we're going to use the side lengths from segment AB from the triangle to make that. And there are four vertices, points on a square. So there is our square, and remember a square has all the same side length. So if you hear the word square, like a centimeter square, they're talking about area, okay? And of course, square to find the area of a square, you're multiplying length times width. And square is also, x to the second power, or whatever number to the second power. So basically you're multiplying the itself, okay? And I want you to do the square for all sides of the triangle here, okay? Oops, let's go back and try that again. Okay, there. And then the last one. Notice if I tap the different, like A first or B first, that square is made differently. And you want that to be on the outside, like what I'm showing here. Okay, let's go back one more time. Regular, that. Okay. Let's try again. Go the other way. It's here, and it's B and then A, and then let's see if that. Okay, now it's right. All right, so this is, and then on your table, you're gonna have to, the section part where they ask for the square of the length, side length, this is what you're doing. So basically you're finding the area of these squares, of the side length squares. So what you're gonna do is you can use a calculator and just do length times width for each box, or you can use the GeoGebra to actually get the area of that. So you tap where it says measure, tap the area right there, see where I'm tapping, and then you can tap on the box to get it. So there, that first area is 2.4, this one is 1.2, and this one is 1.2 as well. Okay, so we know that because they have the same area, they're both the same distance, so there's no medium, short, and long leg. So they're both same leg lengthwise. Okay, they'll be talking about short and long leg. Generally, that is the case. Short, long, and medium. So basically, it's the longest distance, the shortest distance of the side length of the triangle, and the middle distance of the triangle. All right, and that is it. Hopefully, if you have any question, email me or ask me in class. All right, so these are the area of each square. All right, that's it. I'll see you guys again. Take care.